Hello children. So ready to start today's class? So let's start our day with the prayer. Come on. Join your hands, close your eyes and say your prayers. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. After that prayer, what do? Yes, weather song. Come on. How is the weather today? Weather today, weather today. How is the weather today? Is it cloudy or bright? Are you feeling hot or cold? Hot or cold? Hot or cold? Are you feeling hot or cold? Won't you tell me today? So I am feeling very hot. How are you feeling on your side? It's hot, isn't it? But don't worry. Soon it will become nice and cool as winter is coming. Children, today is 30th October and the last day of the month. So it's time for us to sing a birthday song for our birthday children. So let's go and wish all our birthday babies a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. From old friends and new. From old friends and new. May good luck go with you. And happiness too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So here's wishing Avanish, Nitya and Meera a very happy birthday from all of us. Now children, tell me which theme topic is going on in our class right now? Bumpy boxes. And today is the last day of Bumpy boxes. Yes, Bumpy boxes is going to say goodbye and go away. So how about we revise the entire topic today and remember all that we have learned? I'm sure you do remember it. So let's go and revise our theme topic, Bumpy boxes. So children, today we are going to revise our theme topic, Bumpy boxes. And we have learned a lot in these 2 weeks of Bumpy boxes. So let's quickly revise and refresh what is all that we have learned. Now children, we all know that we all use a lot of boxes. And the most common box that we use or we get in our houses are made of cardboard. As you can see here, these boxes you might have seen in your house. Whenever you get any kind of thing or a parcel or you get any food item, they normally come in these kind of boxes, don't they? So these are boxes which are made out of cardboard or paper. Now, are these the only boxes which are there? Or boxes are only made of cardboard? No. Boxes are also made of glass. And these are very beautiful and delicate boxes which you can see here. They are used to store some very expensive or delicate things, like maybe it could be a jewelry box or some other item which is very delicate, like perfume bottle. They can be stored or they can be used as a desk organizer also. So these are boxes made out of glass. Now there are some other boxes, and the one which you see here on the screen are the box made of wood. They come in very fanciful carvings, or they come like this as crates to store fruits and vegetables. And there are some game boxes also, and some boxes like this as a chest or to store your jewelry. So these are the boxes made from wood. Now let's see the other type of box. The second most common box are the plastic containers, as you see here. These plastic containers are used as food boxes or snack boxes. You all must have used this kind of box to take your snack to your school or when you go outside on a picnic. So you use these boxes. Also, when you call food from outside, they also come in these kind of plastic containers, or you use these plastic container boxes as organizers in your cupboard to put in all your things, or as storage also. So these are the plastic boxes. Now we also have boxes made out of metal, and you see on the screen the steel box. Now these steel boxes are also used as lunch boxes or for storing the food items in your kitchen as dry grains or pulses. Mama must be using these kind of boxes even for tea and sugar. You use these kind of containers or boxes, or as a box to store your cash. Sometimes in shop also they have these metal boxes which have locks on them, or for gifting when you want to give someone something very special, so you have these fancy metal boxes which can be used for gifting also. Now what goes inside the box? As we all know, and we have seen these boxes, the very common ones. When you call for any kind of food like biscuits or butter, cheese or ice cream, they always come in boxes like this. So these are the food boxes. Even when you call food from outside, so they come in containers like this, or metal ones. Or even for purchasing your fruits, some fruits which are delicate, like for example, as you can see here, strawberries, they are packed nicely in a box so that they stay fresh longer. Food items go in boxes, you can say. Also medicines. When you buy medicines like creams, lotions, tablets from outside, they are packed, they come in boxes. So medicines also go inside a box. Or when you buy your dresses and accessories, that time also they are packed neatly in a box. Even your shoes, you have a shoe box for it. Now in your kitchen, when you want to organize things, you want to keep the different grains, pulses, dals, or your food items, you use boxes in your kitchen, right, for storing it, or in your refrigerator to store the different fruits and vegetables inside them, or in your shelves as organizers, or in your closet. So boxes are used as organizers also. So what goes inside the box? To organize your things, you put different things inside a box. Now your electronical items like your mobile phones, your television, computers and laptops, they all are packed in a box because they are delicate and damage done to them, then there is no use of it. You can't use that electronical item. So they are nicely packed beautifully in boxes so that they don't get damaged. So electronic items also go inside a box. Now the most important use of a box, the gifting thing. That there's the gift box. We all like to receive a gift, don't we? And the gift box is the best thing to give anyone. When you see a gift box coming to you, you're so happy. So different kinds of things you can pack in a box and gift it, and spread happiness to your friends and family during birthdays or celebrations like special festivals. So when you want to gift something, you pack it in a box like this. Now since different things go in different boxes, can all the boxes be of the same size and shape? No. As you see here, you can see different shapes of boxes. isn't it? And they look so pretty. And they are different in size also. They are not all of the same size. So depending what goes inside the box, the size and the shape differs. Some boxes are hexagonal, some could be the normal rectangular or square boxes, some could be triangular boxes like this. So it depends what you are putting inside the box or what is packed in a box. The size and the shape of the box will differ. So children, today we have revised our topic, bumpy boxes. Now it's time for us to listen to this lovely song. What is inside the box? Come on, let's go and see this video.
Pop, 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 open the box, box, pop, 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 open the box, box. What's in the box, in the box? What's in the box, in the box? What? A doll, a robot, crayons, a truck. A doll and a ball, a robot and a truck. Blocks and crayons in the box, in the box. A doll and a ball, a robot and a truck. Blocks and crayons in the box, in the box. Toys are in the box, in the box. Pop, 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 open the box, box, pop, 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 open the box, box, box.
Yes, so now you know all about the boxes. I'm sure you knew it first, but with revision, we remember it well. Now children, today I have got one very interesting activity for you. It is called measuring boxes. Now, are you wondering how to measure boxes? Tell me, how do you measure? Come on. Yes, we use a scale like this or a measure tape. Yes, because with the scale we know exactly what is the length, width, breadth. But today we are not going to use this scale. We are going to keep our scales aside, our measure tapes aside. We are going to measure these boxes in a very different and a unique way. This is called non-standard unit of measurement, where I don't use a scale or a measure tape, anything which has a proper marking. I don't use that. I use some other methods. That means I use some other objects. Like for example, I can take pistachio shells or I can take pencils. But they all have to be same. Like if I'm taking U-clips, I can take U-clips also, but all have to be U-clips. I can't take one U-clip, I can't take one pistachio shell, I can't take one counter. So whatever you're using to measure, that has to be similar. So that is the main thing for non-standard unit of measurement. So let's go and do this activity. So children, are you ready to do this activity with me? Now here I have taken a few boxes, like a tissue box, a squarish box and another box. So you can take at least 2 to 3 different varieties of boxes and you can do this activity. What other things you'll require is I have counters. So I have taken counters and I have taken my pistachio shells also. So first I'm going to do it with pistachio shell. One box I'm going to show you and then we will do the other boxes. So first I'll leave this aside. I'll take my pistachio shells and my tissue paper box. Now you remember how you do your pistachios, right? So I don't need to tell you on that one. You all are very smart. In the same way, you all are going to put each pistachio shell side by side and we are taking the longer length of the box right here. Can you see how I'm doing? One at a time. And as you place the pistachio, this time you're just going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a half, because the full pistachio shell is not going, so almost half of it. So I have this length is 9 pistachios. Let's take the shorter length, but first we will remove all these pistachios from the longer length, put them back in, and and we will start on the shorter length. Same way. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the short length is 5 pistachios and the longer one is 9.5. Isn't it fun? Let's do with one more box. I'm going to take this one, and this time instead of pistachios, how about we take counters? Yes? So I'm going to take my counters same way as pistachios. You're going to put the counters. I'm showing you 2 variations, whatever you have. You can take that same thing and measure another box. But just for you to see, I'm taking counters. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 counters are there for the longer length of the box. Let's put them back in and let's do the shorter length of the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 counters, the short length, and the longer length is 5 counters. Isn't it interesting? Yes, isn't it fun? Now when I change the side of the box, now this side of the box and this side is also different. If I take the short length, let's see whether it is 4 or not. So 1, 2, 3. See, each side of the box will measure differently. As we know that whatever goes inside the box, the size of the box also varies because of that. So that's how you can measure the different sides of the box in this way. Let's do the very last one, this squarish box I have. Let's see whether both the sides are same or not. This time again we are taking counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 counters. Okay, let's remove them and let's start on this length. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is also 4. So this way also 4 and this way also 4. Yes, because it's a square box and in the square shape, all the 4 sides are same. So isn't it fun doing measuring activity of our boxes in this way? I'm sure you're going to enjoy doing this activity at home with whatever you have. So do this activity and then your mama and papa can click your pic doing it and send it to us, as we would love to see your pictures doing measuring boxes in a new way. So children, did you enjoy this new way of measuring? Wasn't it fun measuring the boxes like this? You can do this at your home and enjoy this activity. Now, it's time for me to go, as Suraya teacher is right here waiting for you all. So, I will see you again on Monday. Have a nice weekend and rest well.